100 ounces of Diet Coke. Shell. I've never been to this one and it does not look occupied. I think the guy was like, we don't have fountain drinks and that cup's too big. The closest one is Wawa, so I guess we'll go back and give Wawa a second chance. So now we're at Racetrack. We're back in the Santa outfit again. They have their own version, so I'm trying to find their cup. They're hardcore judging me and that's okay. Okay. 100 ounces is only $1.79. This one's heavier. Size comparison is insane. This is over 100 ounces of Diet Coke. It's taste test time. I couldn't even lift it. Okay, so far Racetrack has the best one. Oh, I just dumped 100 ounces of Diet Coke in my car.